That gas, gas. That gas, gas.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. This vlog right here is just like me working out, trying to get back into my gym routine, vlogging back in the gym. Well, actually this is like the first time I've vlogged at the gym. The first time. And yeah, I did this vlog to get you motivated to get off your big bag, and go to the gym. You know, curate thoughts and stuff, because it's like I need that in order to function. Let me make sure my Apple Watch is charging because I'm gonna go to the gym and it didn't charge last night.
Bust it down, I ain't selling less than a half. Yeah, I'm on the ass, zooming down 85 with a bag and a half. Yeah, then my phone ring, it's a jug telling me to bring him a bag. Yeah, I bust a U-ball and dash. Yeah, this shit starting to smell like some ass. Yeah, my car be reeking the gas. Yeah, pistol on my lap, not the dashboard. Bitch, you don't get what you asked for. You only get what you paid for. I pay less but made more. Walked on my feet till they was sore.
So yeah, I'm at the gym and this is the fit. Like a deli section, they have a salad bar, a juice bar. Okay, they have a salad bar and a juice bar. Okay. You want to say hi to the vlog? Oh, I'm getting a Mr. Green juice, her too, my friend too. The guy's actually making it. Actually by Luna Park. So this is the green juice that I got. Okay, yeah, so that's about it. And this is our post-workout meal from earlier. Got my macarons. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So for the flavors, there's vanilla, pistachios, raspberry chocolate, and salted caramel. These are pretty good. I've had these before. I've had macarons before, and I was just craving them. And I think there's like, how many in there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? Yeah, definitely gonna be snacking on these. Anancia. I don't know how to pronounce that. Anancia. I know it's a type of plant. I think so. And this is my breakfast. I'm gonna try to finish drinking this today. to unbox it right now. Oh, this is so cute. And I'm so happy that I'm unboxing it right now. Because look at this. Girl, you ate that. Florence, what? Luxury powdered hair care. Wow. That's so cool. Oh, look at this. Oh. This is, let's see. This is a botanical infused perfume. Hair perfume. Oh, that's so nice. Hair perfume. Botanical hair perfume. The fragrance is Japanese cherry blossom and lavender times vanilla. Girl. And I got a cute little pen. Okay. Oh, and a little scrunchie. That's so cute. Okay, so this is the big reveal. I like how it's packaged. It's so neat. So cute. Okay, I want to do this right. So, wow, I cannot wait to use this on my hair. This is the Anointed Beauty Ayurvedic Triple Herb Growth and Nourishing Scalp Oil. I can tell it's gonna be a beautiful day once the water is like super calm like this. Look how still the water is. This is how I could tell the weather, like if it's gonna be windy, calm, you know. Thank you for watching. I hope you come back, like, subscribe, and share if you want. But yeah, and I hope you're enjoying this beat. Like, I did this cute little beat, and I will record this look so you can see how I did it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.